Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Discord, open the desktop app or browser and sign in. Once logged, click the gear icon by your avatar to open user settings. From there, go straight to notifications. This panel is where sound behavior lives. You need to confirm general notification toggles first. Make sure Enable Desktop Notifications is on if you want sound. Don't pause. This step ensures Discord can send alerts that your next changes will modify. Once inside notifications, scroll to the sound section and review each event: message, mention, friend online, and more. Toggle the individual sounds you want to hear versus silence. This is why granular controls exist. If levels feel off, make sure to adjust your computer or phone volume, because Discord's toggles don't change system output. You can press the small play icons next to items to audition them. Use those tests to quickly confirm your selections. Finish by checking per server notification settings. Right-click a server, choose notification settings, and set server-specific sounds or mute entirely. Once done, make sure Do Not Disturb mode is off and the correct audio output device is selected in your OS. These are common causes when you hear nothing. If problems persist, update Discord, then restart the app or log out and back in. This forces the client to reload sound assets and apply your changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.